We live, work, and walk on Aboriginal land. We acknowledge the Gadigal and Wango custodians of this land and knowledge, and we pay our respects to elders past, present, and future. I'm Dr. Ilaria Vanni, School of International Studies and Education at UTS, and I work with Dr. Alexandra Crosby, School of Design, also at UTS. One of the things that we are researching is civic ecologies, that is, the social and cultural practices at the intersection of civic and environmental values, practices that we believe make our cities more livable and more lovable. As part of our research and teaching, we design experiences that address plant blindness, that is, the inability to see and recognize the importance of plants in our environment and daily life. So we make plants in our cities present through walks, visual documentation, and maps. This is important because by paying attention to plants, we generate visual routes to re-enchant our relationship with nature and place. In turn, plant enchantment is important because there is a connection between how we look and perceive our environment and the way we treat it. So you would want to know what we do exactly. We walk by ourselves and with others, and quite literally we follow plants. Before we start walking with others, we drop hints. For instance, we may say, towards the middle of the walk, you will find a scented yellow flower. Let's see if anyone recognizes it and also if anyone knows how to grow it, where it comes from, and you know, how it arrived in Australia if it's not a native, and so on. And we record our map using an application called Map My Walk, which registers not just a route but every movement, stop, and detour. And at the end of the walk, it produces a digital map. We also use Instagram as live photo documentations to share what we see, and we use the hashtag #MappingEdges, which is used also by other people now. The digital map is then used as a base to produce a printed map, which is a simplified version in terms of streets, but it maps plants along the route, in this case, banana, papaya, and dragon fruit, that are represented with the key BPD. The other side of the map is an essay that explains our project, and the map folds and forms a pouch, and the pouch contains 3 booklets on the 3 plants with photos and snippets of interviews with gardeners about their plants. They function as a treasure hunt map, where the treasure is a plant that needs to be found and possibly photographed. And we invite our participant to walk respectfully and to leave only footprints and take only photographs, as the Sierra Club saying goes. We ask them to discover what grows on edges, and to observe the way people take care of plants and design their gardens and their verges. We also invite participants to add their findings to the map and also to Instagram. These planting maps and walks generate a sense of shared discovery and a sense of wonder about being in the city with such a plenty exuberance. So it is like a treasure hunt. We also aim at generating knowledge sharing during the walk so that participants can learn from each other. At the end of the walk, we document the maps with participants' additions, and we have an informal chat on which treasures were found. Thank you.